Matt, you've got an outperform on AMD, underperform on Intel, and a neutral on NVIDIA, which suggests to me you think that going forward, AMD's worth more than Intel.
I do. I think that my struggle with Intel is that they have a long road ahead of them in terms of turning around their product set. And in the meantime, AMD is going to continue to take share, particularly in the data center. And so just in terms of relative performance, I think AMD has a much easier path over the next couple of years.
So what's the most compelling growth story in semiconductors right now, do you think? I hear a lot from the likes of Marvell about the potential in the cloud, to really drive progress there as hyperscalers look for customization. And you look at the slowdown in PC sales potentially, but then graphics is still an important segment. What's the theme that you think investors should pay most attention to?
So I think there's a few different themes. I think certainly there is the shift to EV. There is greater investment in artificial intelligence. There's the growth of IoT, so the Internet of Things. I think all of those will be drivers. Among my favorite names, Taiwan Semi. They are the arms dealer for all of the fabless companies that are making those solutions. But even with NVIDIA, I think they have a great future 3, 4, 5 years ahead. They're leading in a number of those segments. Their issue is both it's really expensive stock, but also right now, certainly we do seem to be seeing the beginning of a correction in the client gaming side of things.
Yeah, that's certainly Baird's point today. We believe order cancellations recently started in consumer GPUs, driven by excess inventory, a slowdown in consumer demand, reflected by ongoing reduction in graphic cards pricing. And do you see anything wrong with that sort of picture of the client demand environment right now?
The really difficult thing to understand is crypto has been a significant component, I believe, both in the demand for client GPUs over the last couple of years, similar to what we saw in 2018. And it's really difficult to understand once NVIDIA makes a chip and ships it out to the card vendors, where exactly that product ends up. So I look at a world where 4 weeks ago, if I was trying to buy a part at Best Buy, it didn't exist. Now, you go on Best Buy's website, you can get any type of GPU you want. And so I certainly think that there has been some shift over the last month versus the last 2 years where you just couldn't buy a client graphics card.